Hello, I'm Amanda Van Horn, and tonight on the Amanda Van Horn Show, today our special guest will be a very lovely person from back in the 1700s, Michael Jackson. That is his that is his vibrator right now. Hold up. Hello? Hi. Excuse that was my mother. So, Michael Jackson, please step forward. Hello, Michael Jackson. Hello. How is it feel to have 1,000,000 records sold after you died? Well, that's a lot of money. I would have a lot of money. Yeah, I thought so also. Michael Jackson, we all love you so dearly. Why did you change to black to white? Okay, well, people make fun of you more because your nose fell off at a concert.
Okay, you need to leave now.
Okay, so say goodbye, Jay. Tonight, that was Michael Jackson on the Amanda Van Horn Show. This is Amanda Van Horn reporting. Good night. We're good.